Previously on The Traveling Tinces.
The Enchanted Forest.
Hopefully we'll see some fireflies maybe tonight.
We are free.
We are on the road again, just for a short trip this time, about an hour. So yeah, we're headed into Holland and getting ready to go see my 97-year-old grandmother. So we're really excited to see her and hope she's doing well. Spent a couple nights at a KOA and cleaned out all our tanks. They needed some work and washed the rig a little bit and took some hot showers.
Did some maintenance.
Yeah, I just took care of Jazz. We had maintenance to do. Here we are in Michigan and a lot of trees. It's pretty damp here.
Doing a quick update while we're here in Michigan. We're going to be at Tri-Ponds until Wednesday. Then we're going to go out to
Hutchins Lake.
Yeah.
So the rest of my family will be out there. We're going to go see them the rest of the week.
Yeah. We had a big storm roll through last night. We got quite a bit of rain, and so we rigged up the window in the back with a plastic bottle, and it actually collected all the rainwater beautifully. So we have a, what did you call it?
Oh, we have an indoor rain gauge.
Indoor rain gauge.
We no longer look at it as a leak. We look at it as an indoor rain gauge.
Absolutely.
So now we know how much rain we got. It was a lot, right? We got a lot of rain. We got a lot of rain yesterday. It's been really, really hot here. Really, really humid here.
So yeah, it's beautiful here. We'll get some shots here. But it's just amazing. The trees and the greenery, and it's pretty awesome. Teensy.
What are we doing right now, Teens?
What's going on?
We are currently walking through an enchanted forest. The most beautiful of enchanted forests.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, little Tinsy.
Yeah.
That's
Beautiful.
pretty.
So yeah, we're walking through the woods. We're at the Tri-Ponds campground still. Hanging out for the 4th of July with some family. And we thought we'd go for a little walk in the enchanted forest.
Is that right, Tinsy?
That is correct. Come here.
Brr. Brr. And there are goats and chickens here at the lake. What's up, dude?
Up here. Open.
The men to stare at goats.
Yeah, right here. Open.
Oh, did you get sneezed on,
I
Tinsy?
sure did.
How was that?
Gonna lick out of my hand. Ew.
Ew.
More.
That was goat snot.
Yummy, yummy.
First guano, now
Ew.
goat snot. Ew.
Been fully baptized by the animals. Hey, buddies.
Tins, look, hand sanitizer.
Hey.
Hand sanitizer after you pet the baby goats. It's the baby goat.
Trying to nip it at my fingers.
Oh, he just was like, I'm going over there. You guys suck.
I thought he was like
All right.
in the pen. That's funny.
Okay, okay. Look at this. This is Bullfrog Haven right here. There are all kinds of God knows what in this guy. Why aren't you fishing in this? There's got to be something in here.
It's like a tropical rainforest in here.
We've spotted
We've been
a
spotted.
lemonade stand. Some young entrepreneurs. Oh. Oh. Oh, we got girl down, baby down, baby down.
Somebody told us you were selling some lemonade
For $1 or $1.
for 1 quarter.
Yeah.
You want 2 cups or one?
One cup, but we can give him a tip.
$1 or $1. $1 is 2 cups.
1 quarter.
$1, 2 cups. Wait a minute.
Alright, we'll do 1 quarter. Oh, there's bugs on me. Do you have a tip jar?
Uh oh. More guano.
No, we don't. It's a little You can just put it in the box.
Alright.
You have a tip jar?
That's about $5.
You can keep
Sweet.
the change. We'll let
So you owe us $5 for $1.
Yeah, $5.
Thank you.
$5. 1 cup is only 1 quarter.
Oh, shh! Don't tell anybody. I'm kidding.
$1.
How are you guys doing? You guys making any money?
No, it's 25 cents per cup. Yeah.
$1 per cup.
Let's see.
No, you guys didn't give me my change.
I do.
Oh man, that's sweet. What are you guys gonna buy with all your money?
Candy.
Of course. God bless you. All right, guys. Good luck.
Lemonade, 50 cents.
I thought it was 25 cents.
25.
Okay, nice try, nice try.
We are on the road again, just for a brief little 15-minute, or in fact, we're almost done. But yep, switching from the campground to go stay at a cottage now for a couple days on another lake. So here is the lake that we will be spending the next couple days on. So we are definitely excited about that. We're having a good day. Got to go out for breakfast in Saugatuck at the Southerners, so that was pretty good. And we're headed to the cottage to see the other side of the family for a couple days. We are super excited. Tince?
Driving a boat, Tince.
But Tince is driving a boat.
Going pretty slow. It's no wake time.
What lake are we on?
We are on Hutchins Lake. Tince, what's going on?
Yay! We're at the lake. I'm riding a, what is this, a hoverboard?
Oh, look at what Tince is
I
doing.
know, I'm learning how to ride one anyway.
Oh, Tince.
They're not near as easy as the kids make them look, that's for sure.
Right here, turn around and do something.
Okay.
Oh, look at the Tince go. Oh, Tincey.
Not very fast, but they are in the grass.
Hey, you're doing it though.
Whee, come to my love.
Oh, my Tincey. No.
Okay, what are we doing? Oh, you need help getting up?
We're hoverboarding. Tincey.
Come to me, Tince.
Oh, Tince.
The problem is
Oh God, what are they gonna?
there's a lake, so
I don't know.
he's running out of grass.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Hopefully he knows how to turn around.
Oh, God. Oh, thank God I can turn.
Oh, here, back up so I can get the board in there.
Oh, Jesus. I can't stop.
Put your weight on your heels. Yay!
Almost died there. It's pretty sweet. Where are you going to go from here?
Run to me, run to
Oh, there goes Chance. Look at her. Yeah, she's way better than I am.
I tried it a couple extra times and you did too.
That's true.
This is like my 4th time on it.
Alright, that was the Tinces doing the Segway. Love my Tince.
Love it, Tince.
Tince, where are we and what's going on?
We are at Hutchins Lake in Holland, Michigan, and it is the 4th of July.
4th of July.
And there are tons of fireworks going off. So, yeah, we thought we'd come up to the dock. The sky looks pretty cool. And
Beautiful back there.
we're sitting on the dock of the, sitting on the dock of the bay.
So we'll go like this so you can see the cottage in the background. We'll slowly turn here. So you can see there's the cottage behind us. And they're lighting fireworks. There's people lighting fireworks
Across the
over
street.
there. Over there. They're doing all kinds of cool
Everywhere.
stuff. But yeah, it's
The lake's nice and quiet now. The boats are all off, and
it's the 4th of July.
yeah, we're enjoying it.
Look at that roller coming in right there. Isn't that funny?
Mm-hmm. You're gonna run fast as you can. That's good. There's a big one across the lake.
Yeah, when you go there, you can go sit down. Did you do that one? Yeah. Oh my
That's a good, yeah, that's a good point. Like to get the lighters lit.
Anybody else deaf yet?
What?
Okay, just checking, just checking. But you know, she's got so many loud noises. My favorite things freak her out.
Yeah, one didn't go. Oh, here we go, Teensy. Here we go, Teensy. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Oh, it's purple and teens.
Oh, it's Teens colors. Light and run like hell.
Because you're out of control. Are we ready?
Do you have it lit?
Lighters lit.
You guys have it? Lighters lit?
1, 2, 3, go.
Holy Oh my God! Teensy, what are we looking at, Teensy?
This is my bike when I was like 8 years old, 9 or something.
Oh, look, it's purple.
I got it for my birthday. It's got gears and handbrakes and...
And it's purple. How precious is that?
Next time on The Traveling Tinces.